Alright guys, so I bought an extension for the bike stand. It's more like a wider base or a support or whatever you call it. So we're just gonna try this. Alright, so this thing comes with glue. I don't know why, because I don't want to rely on glue to hold this thing onto the stand. I mean, it's either the bolts are strong enough to hold or they're not. But yeah, I'm not gonna rely on the glue to hold this thing. Well, this is good. Okay, that's pretty good. Now, why you want to do this? Why would you want to get this thing? Well, because it's wider. So if you're parking your bike in the mud, for example, it will probably prevent the stand from sinking into the mud. So yeah, I recommend getting one. This is Accossato. I paid like 10 euros for this shit. Looks pretty good. All right, so you might want to put the bike on a stand before you do shit like that. Okay, so it's done. It's good. Yeah, it's pretty tight. Yeah, it's not moving. And yeah, I don't know, it looks badass. I like it. It looks pretty good. And yeah, this one is it's bike specific. So here it says in Chinese, it says Benelli 500. So don't go buy some random shit. It's bike specific. So make sure you buy the right one for your bike. All right, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.